I see large number of heart patients, especially children. I see about 70 to 120 patients every day sitting in this chair. And of course, I do at least 1 or 2 heart surgeries. A typical patient of mine is a little baby sitting on the mother's lap. And I examine the kid and tell the mother that, look, your baby needs heart operation. And I look at her face and I ask her, do you have any questions? And she has only one question. You know what the question is? How much it is going to cost? And when I tell her that it's going to cost, say, $1,000 or $1,500, which she doesn't have, that is a price tag on the child's life. You come up with $1,000, you can save your child. If you don't have $1,000, you're going to lose your child. This is what all the doctors in all the developing countries, Asia, Africa, Latin America, all of us do. From morning till evening, putting price tag on human life. I started my career here 26 years ago. I left England in 1989. I started in Calcutta, then I came to Bangalore. I believe today, in this world, we are in a position to dissociate healthcare from affluence. Every country in the world can have phenomenal good quality healthcare just by investing on medical, nursing, paramedic education, right policies. Train more doctors, train more nurses, technicians. Healthcare is not going to be expensive. 1 out of 140 children born anywhere in the world has a heart problem. And majority of these children die because they can't afford, and most countries do not even have a facility. So we thought we should develop a model where children from any part of the world can come, get the surgery done, whether they can afford or they can't. This is how we started 16 years ago. And till date, we haven't refused a single child. We get children from nearly 76 countries. They can be from India, they can be from Africa, Bangladesh, Pakistan, now from all the Middle Eastern countries, from Iraq, Iran, all over the place they come. For us, children, whether they are Indians or foreigners, they are all the same, because when the hospital was established, my family clearly explained to me that children belong to the society. They are not property of the family. So any child coming from any part of the world, if they are in distress, we have to take care of them. And we have been very lucky. I would like to congratulate TASC for helping the thousands of children from different parts of the world and bringing them here for their surgery. And we are now celebrating the 10th anniversary. We have been working with TASC for more than nearly 10 years now, and we have done, I guess, more than around 600 heart surgeries on children. It's a great opportunity. By ourselves, we couldn't have touched those children. Because of TASC, we could get those children here. And it's a very unique experience for us, because these children are our ambassadors. When they grow up, they will always they will have a fond memory of this hospital, this country. That's all. It's about the life. Yeah.